On Wednesday, February 10th, Tesla and SpaceX boss Elon Musk announced that he'd purchased some Dogecoin for his newborn son with the Canadian musician Grimes. The price of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency had skyrocketed in value by up to 16% on the release of the tweet. The Tesla boss wrote, "Bought some Dogecoin for little X so he can be a toddler hodler," alongside attaching a short video of his son. Also earlier this year, the billionaire entrepreneur had sent the market value of the digital currency sky high after he tweeted a picture of a rocket with a Doge tweet, and then went further to endorse the cryptocurrency by saying Dogecoin is the cryptocurrency of the people. There's no highs, no lows, only Doge in another tweet. Today on Crypto Line, we'll be discussing how Elon Musk is boosting the price of Dogecoin. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a completely free Discord group where we share daily signals with a community of like-minded traders and investors. You'll find a link for that in the video description. And now, you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular needs. And we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and the pinned comment. Elon Musk's tweet about buying Dogecoin for his son had come in some hours after he'd announced that Tesla had also invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. The announcement, which was buried deep in Tesla's 2020 annual report, caused about a 20% rise in the price of the number one cryptocurrency to over $47,000. At that time, someone could have bought an entry-level Tesla Model 3 with less than 1 Bitcoin. Much like Bitcoin, Dogecoin is also a cryptocurrency that was, however, initially started as a joke back in 2013 by software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. The duo had come together and decided to create a method of payment that was instant, fun, and free from conventional banking fees. Currently, Dogecoin is the 8th most valuable cryptocurrency by market cap, ahead of Bitcoin Cash, Polkadot, Uniswap, Litecoin, and many others. Even though Dogecoin was initiated as something of a joke or a fun version of Bitcoin, it gained good followership soon after it was created. Many believe that the casual presentation of Doge suited the mood of the crypto community. Its crypto technology and unlimited supply was an argument for a faster, more adaptable, and consumer-friendly version of Bitcoin, a report said. The report also added Dogecoin is an inflationary coin, while cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are deflationary because there's a limit to the number of coins that can be created. Every 4 years, the amount of Bitcoin released into circulation through mining rewards is halved, and its inflation rate is halved along with it, until all coins are released. But Elon Musk has once again boosted the price of Dogecoin with a tweet saying his son was holding his Doge like a champ. The price of Dogecoin, which was down by about 75% from its peak in April, had gone above the 17 cents low following Musk's post. Never said the word sell even once, Musk had replied to a meme posted by a fan account. The tweet is the latest in a long line of cryptocurrency posts and market interventions made by Musk through 2021. Earlier this year, Musk had said his rocket company SpaceX would put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon, raising the hope of a brighter future for its investors. The price of Dogecoin began to surge this year after traders who were frustrated by the restrictions placed on meme stocks in January went into the joke cryptocurrency with support from Bitcoin and crypto exchanges like Coinbase. Dogecoin is up almost 6,000% this time last year, amid a broader cryptocurrency uptrend that's seen the price of Bitcoin add around 250% and hit an all-time high of around $65,000 per Bitcoin. However, the price of Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market at large has fallen sharply over the recent months, with the combined crypto market losing about $300 billion since mid-June. Just last week, the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency was hit by another attack, when one of Dogecoin's creators said he believed the entire thing was turning into a sham. Dogecoin co-creator Jackson Palmer dropped a bombshell on social media saying that he'll never return to cryptocurrency. Palmer isn't very active on social media. In fact, he's made his Twitter account private in 2019. And since then, he's been quiet on social media, even when Dogecoin reached record highs earlier this year. However, on Wednesday, July 14th, he came back on Twitter and blasted the various cryptocurrencies in a torrent of tweets. In his first tweet, the co-creator of the meme-themed cryptocurrency said people used to ask him whether or not he would return to the world of crypto tokens. While his answer to that question is a wholehearted no, he thought he would explain. In his second tweet, Mr. Palmer said that digital currencies were built basically to amplify the wealth of its proponents, through a combination of tax avoidance, diminished regulatory oversight, and artificially enforced scarcity. He went further to say that despite claims of decentralization, a powerful cartel of wealthy individuals controlled the industry, which now incorporates many of the same institutions which they had supposedly set out to replace. Furthermore, the Dogecoin founder took on the cryptocurrency world, which continues to receive support from the likes of billionaire Elon Musk, saying the industry is simply leveraging a network of shady business connections, bot influencers, and media outlets to perpetuate a cult-like get-rich-quick Ponzi funnel, which is designed to extract money from the financially desperate and naive. Undoubtedly, financial exploitation existed before cryptocurrency, but cryptocurrency was built purposely to make the funnel of profiteering more efficient for those that are at the top and less safeguarded for the vulnerable, he added. He said that cryptocurrency was like taking the worst parts of today's capitalist system, which are corruption, fraud, inequality, and using software to technically limit the use of interventions such as audits, regulation, and taxation, which serve as protection or safety nets for the average person. Palmer then continued to talk about things that concerned every person, irrespective of their interest in digital currencies. He said that the time is such that even the most modest critique of cryptocurrency now draws anger from the powerful figures who control the industry and the ire of retail investors who've received the false promise that they would one day become fellow billionaires. A good faith debate is close to impossible, he said. After stating the reasons why he'll never return to the crypto world, Palmer said that he no longer goes out of his way to engage in public discussion regarding cryptocurrency. In his final tweet of the thread, he appreciated the ones who continue to ask hard questions of those in control of the industry and for applying the lens of rigorous skepticism which all technologies should be subject to. However, this wasn't the first time Palmer returned to Twitter to take on those that are capable of influencing the market. In May of 2021, he had targeted Tesla CEO Elon Musk, saying he was a self-absorbed grifter, and labeled his SNL appearance as cringe. Musk had called Dogecoin a hustle during his appearance on the popular TV show, and the price of Dogecoin had soared just in the anticipation of his appearance. Palmer, however, added that he would delete his tweets criticizing Musk in 1 minute, and he did that, although many Twitter users had saved the screenshot. In 2015, Palmer had announced an extended leave of absence from the cryptocurrency community, calling it toxic and criticizing it for being controlled by a selected few. Since its release, the price of Dogecoin has been soaring over the years. Just last year, the coin was worth under a cent, but the price has continued to climb. At the time of recording, Doge is hovering around the 18 cents mark per token, according to TradingView. As the supply of Dogecoin is infinite, analysts don't expect the same astronomical rise as Bitcoin, which is currently worth more than $30,000. However, steady rises are expected of Dogecoin in the years to come after the current outburst has settled down. According to Prime XBT, the price will slowly increase in value and could hit the $1 mark before 2025. The website said the cryptocurrency market is cyclical and undergoes bull and bear markets of varying degrees. After another bear phase, the cryptocurrency market, including Dogecoin, will be ready for another breakout in 2024 and into 2025, coinciding with Bitcoin's halving theory. By that time, there would have been more clear choices for winners in the crypto race, and either Dogecoin runs out of favor or it begins to approach the expected mark of $1 per coin. However, the trading site continued to state that the value of the coin is impossible to predict, adding Dogecoin can be expected to appreciate at a reasonable rate, but not to the same prices as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. And so, because of this, it's quite difficult to call Dogecoin a good investment when there are so many better options available. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. If you have any questions or comments, let us know. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson.